People don't seem to understand about this bomb that its main effect is fire. It's not as if a bomb started a fire in one corner of a street and the fire slowly worked its way up to the other corner. Everything was lit instantaneously.
These small flames represent the many fires burning in Hiroshima. Fires that were set not only by the initial flash, but also by the collapse of gas lines and broken cooking stoves. The fires could be seen by the Enola Gay's crew from almost 30,000 feet above the city. To see what happens when many small fires are set off simultaneously, Hughes Associates, a group of fire protection engineers, designed a simulation.
First, the fire will be very small, and then eventually we'll start to see an effect develop as what happened at Hiroshima. You think of it rather being cylinders as being, city blocks of burning buildings. In the city, you have uneven terrain. You have hills, you have buildings of different sizes, so you would have uneven airflow. So we set up these sheets of drywall with gaps in them to sort of represent this idea of having uneven terrain, which is going to, introduce a bit of a swirl into the flow, feeding the fire.
The heat of the flames sucks in air from the ground. This creates gale force winds of up to 50 miles per hour.
At points in time over the city, you would have had fire whirls, these tornadoes of flame, which will appear and disappear as the air is entrained into the fire and forms these vortexes, much like a dust devil on a hot summer day.
Whether flames from candles, canisters, or city blocks, the fires merge as the heat and winds become more intense. In Hiroshima, the mass fire burns for 6 hours and consumes 4.5 square miles.
Hiroshima City was red ocean, fire burning. Whole entire city is burning.